Hey y'all, welcome back to Long Farms. Hopefully y'all are having a great Saturday morning, but we're gonna go over here and cut some trees. So if y'all ain't got nothing going on, let's go. I'll do a little mudding first to get over this gate. Dad's bringing the little tractor and that red trailer. I don't know if y'all have seen it yet, but it's got the saw and the pole saw on it. Got Turbo and Patches going along with us today, but y'all know me, can't go anywhere on the farm without some snacks and something to drink. So what we're trying to do along this fence, we're just going to put some panels and then that woven wire fence down through here, because on a majority of our other exterior fences and even some of the interior stuff, we've got it, we just overlaying it over top of the existing barbed wire fence, especially along the woods. We've never really had a problem with coyotes, but we just want to try and prevent it. Of course, in the future, as much as possible, make it, if they want to get across, they've got to really work for it. I guess y'all seen there where my saw got stuck and Dad had to bring his and help get mine out, but especially working with chainsaws and around trees and different things, make sure always wearing like gloves, earmuffs, glasses and all that, but also cutting a limb like that, also want to have you a exit path. That way, if it's something to do like that, then you can have a clear exit to drop the saw and get out of the way. So we've already got the trailer full, but what Dad's doing, you can go down through here, go ahead and cut the rest of these limbs down this fence line. And then we're going to, once it's empty that trailer, come back and pick all this up. may be hard to see on camera, but these little drive links with my thumbs on, the chain come off, and if those drive links get a little bit of a nick, then they won't slide into the grooves of the bar. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna finish picking up what we got cut, and then head back to the barn. Well, we got all the saws and everything packed up. Got the second trailer loaded down. Just got to take it down here at the burn pile and throw it off. But thanks for tuning in today here on the farm channel. If you like the video, don't be afraid to give it a thumbs up. That just lets me know that y'all like what you see here on the channel. And if you'd like to get updates of future videos, just hit the subscribe button down there at the bottom, and then there's a little bell off to the side, and click all, and that'll send you notifications to your device of when we put out new videos here. So thanks for tuning in. Hopefully y'all have a great rest of your gorgeous, or at least here anyways, a gorgeous Saturday afternoon. And as you already know, I'll catch you on the flip side.